Hello and welcome to our YouTube channel Rubal Solutions. We are sharing the exercise with answers of UGC NET Tutor Computer Science. In this video, we are just telling you the question and answer. Explanation will be done later, or if you wish to know explanation about particular questions, ask me in the comment box. In this series, we will show you the question and answers. Please ask for the explanation for particular questions, or we will make the explanation series later.
Let's begin. Introduction to discrete structure. Exercise. Question number 1. An equivalence relation is a relation which is, the answer is reflexive, symmetric and transitive. Second question. How many disconjugate permutations can be generated from banana? The answer is 60. Third. How many words can be made by using the letter words simpleton, simpleton, taken all at a time? The answer is 362880. Fourth, one card is drawn from standard 52 card deck in describing the occurrence of two possible events, an ace and a king. These two events are said to be mutually exclusive events. Now question number 5. The law of large numbers makes it possible to predict long-run relative frequencies but not particular chance events. It's true. Sixth, which of the following is not possible probability? 1.25, because all other are possible. Among 25 articles, 9 are defective, 6 having only minor defectives, 3 having major defectives. Determine that an article selected at random has major defects given that it has defects. The answer is 1 by 3. Eighth question. A bag contains 2 red, 3 green and 2 blue balls. 2 balls are drawn at random. What is the probability that none of the balls drawn is blue? 10 by 21. Ninth, how many words can be formed by using all letters of Bihar? 120. 5p5 is equal to 120. In how many ways can a cricket 11 be chosen out of batch of 15 players? 15C11, that is 1365. 11th, how many 4-letter words with or without meaning can be formed out of the letter of the word algorithms if repetition of words is not allowed? 10p4, that is 5040. In how many different ways can the letters of word rumor be arranged? 6 by 2 into 2 permutation. 180. A partially ordered set is said to be lattice if every 2 elements in the set have a unique letter upper bound and a unique greater lower bound. The answer is both A and B. The number of integers between 1 and 250 that are divisible by 2, 5 and 7, that is 3. Consider the problem of connecting 19 lamps to a single electronic outlet by using extension cords each of which has 4 outlets. The number of extension cord required is 5. Form a group of 7 men and 6 women. 5 persons are to be selected to form a committee so that at least 3 men are 3 on committee. In how many ways can it be done? After calculating, it comes out to be 7, 5, 6. A box contains 6 red balls and 4 green balls. 4 balls are selected at random from the box. What is the probability that 2 of selected balls are red and 2 are green? They are, by calculation, they comes out to be 3 by 7. Out of 7 consonants and 4 vowels, how many words of 3 consonants and 2 vowels can be formed? It comes out to be 25200. 19th. A box contains 2 white balls, 3 black balls and 4 red balls. In how many ways can 3 balls can be drawn from the box if at least 1 black ball is to be included in the draw? 64.
I hope these exercise series will help you. Feel free to contact for explanation. Thank you so much for all the support and all the learning you are doing. I am also learning day by day with the help of these videos. Thank you to you all for giving me the support and courage to make all these videos. Do like, share, comment and subscribe to our YouTube channel, that is Rubal Solutions. Love. Have a nice day.